Here you can see this, guys, people are making $200 to thousands of dollars doing affiliate marketing with YouTube. So they are making money with affiliate marketing, doing affiliate marketing with YouTube, as well as they are also making this AdSense money. So in this video, guys, I will reveal 7 super successful affiliate marketing YouTube channel which will guide you to start your own affiliate marketing business from home using YouTube, as well as I'm also going to show you how much they are making monthly from YouTube itself. And you're looking my #1 recommendation of making money online, guys, go to the description, guys, and click this link. It will help you to watch a video, guys, which will guide you how to start your own business making money online, guys, step by step. It's a automated system to start your own business, guys. That's how I make most of my money. Link is in the description, guys. With that said, guys, let's dive in. So here we go, guys. ReviewTube is my #1 super successful affiliate marketing YouTube channel, and here you can see this, guys. Their branding is amazing. Each thumbnails, guys, it is very similar, and they're promoting a lot of physical product, guys, not digital product like clickbank. So they might be promoting from Amazon or maybe some other source that I'm going to show you in a second, because apart from Amazon, that guys, there are so many different websites from where you can get this kinds of product. So here you can say this is the perfect example, guys, and they're getting much views in these videos, and also they have 100,000 plus subscriber, guys, in this channel. To view, guys, any YouTube channel, one of the best thing is to go and short the channel by their oldest videos. From there you can know this, guys, when they started. Look at this, 2 years back, guys, they started putting these videos, small videos, guys, 5-minute videos, 9-minute videos, 1-minute videos, where they are reviewing the product. And here you can see this, they're getting tons of views on their channel, guys. And I can guess, guys, they can make really good money with their affiliate marketing things. So here you can see this, guys. Let's open each of these videos, guys, like best jogging stroller as well as Chromebook. And if you can see, guys, here, so this is the video, and look at this, how they have given the links of all the product which they are reviewing. This is very simple, guys. So let me run this video.
Or just merely looking for a way to return to being fit again after pregnancy, then some techniques will allow you to maintain your active lifestyle or your daily activities without having to information about the products mentioned in our video, then you can check the links in the description below. Now here are the best jogging strollers to
Here you can see this, guys, they are just using the images, A lot of time people have this thing, you have to buy the product. You don't need to buy every time, guys, to review any product. Here they are just using the images and free videos, guys.
Ventilation seat. It also has a 2-step fold brake that's attached with a flip-flop friendly foot pedal, so you can easily activate or deactivate.
Look at this, how they are showing all these videos. Hopefully that, guys, this video they may be getting from the website or the people who are promoting this. They may be the company. So this is very simply they are creating this video, guys. I have seen their videos. So many of their videos are just really about look at this, they're just using a good video editor and they're just showing the images and writing thing here, guys, and giving the features, showing the features and showing the benefit. This is really important in any if you start a YouTube channel, or especially if you want to do the affiliate marketing. You should share the benefits of the products, as well as, guys, let's go to the another product, that is a Chromebook. This is the same thing, guys.
Back buying a laptop, your choices were between a Mac or Windows. Rotate 360
Look at this,
degrees, allowing you to transform it from a laptop into a tablet. The excellent design also makes it possible to...
So most of the time, guys, they use the images getting from the website, and here you can see this, guys, they are putting their affiliate links. This is one of the best thing, guys. Look at this, they got 400 plus views, guys, in this, and 18 likes. And if you click this, guys, this will take to the affiliate link. Let me click this. And also, guys, they are also giving the eBay. So this is one of the technique, guys, because whenever you show one product people can buy, then if you give more option to them, there is a chances, guys, they will buy the other option which fit to their budget. Okay, so they are also showing the HP one, this one. Look at this. So here they are in the website. of HP, and anybody is going to buy from here, guys. By paying this, they will make the money from it. It's just very simple. Sometimes they some people, guys, they use their own website also to promote this product. So this is amazing, guys. Right here you can see this. If you buy from this, guys, anybody is going to buy, they'll make the commission from this. It's just very simple. Okay, so they have given eBay prices also, guys. So if people are not ready to buy from HP, right, they can go here and they can buy the different which fit to the budget or which fit their features which they are looking. That's why they give the eBay. So this is one of the marketing strategy. Hope you understand with this, guys, how ReviewTube is making money, right, from affiliate marketing. As well as, guys, here in the Social Blade, guys, you can see this, how much they are making. So estimated monthly earning from YouTube only, guys, just uploading the videos there, they're making somewhere between $500, $400 to, right, $6,000. Okay, monthly earning, right? And it is showing you the estimation, guys, only. Okay, and yearly it is showing, guys, somewhere between $5,000 to $70,000, $77,000. So this is amazing, guys. Just you can make money with affiliate marketing also, guys, as well as you can also make money with YouTube. Marcus Brownlee is my second super successful affiliate marketing YouTube channel, guys, and really I am following him from past 8-9 years, guys, and he's amazing in his work, guys. This shows how a passion can convert into a passive income. So here, right, everybody knows it, right? He just review the tech products. Okay, he show the tech products, features, benefit, okay, first impression, so many things he is doing here. Okay, I love this, and his way of putting things is amazing here. Look at his branding, right? It's a huge. But one of the thing, guys, I always said, if you want to see there how people start, click here short and go to their oldest video, the first videos, and here you can see this, guys, 12 years ago, guys, they have started. 13-year-old golf swing and all these things, he started putting the video, how young he is, right? So this is what I was talking about, guys. If you're not going to start right now your YouTube channel, this is the best time, guys. The world is on the consuming state, right? If you're going to show your talent to them, they're going to buy from it. Okay, they're going to buy, and tomorrow you're going to create a big asset for it, guys. So he started 12 years ago, guys, and he today, right, created an asset. Look at this. Okay, millions of subscribers, right? Everybody watch their recent videos and they think that they are big YouTuber, but they started. So when you're going to start, that depends. So they also do the same thing, guys. He do affiliate marketing. Let's open this video. Here you can see this is iPhone videos. In his video, guys, generally he show in front of he will come in front of you, guys, and he's going to review things. Okay, is really amazing, right? He put the things, he show, and he show the features and all, guys. Really, that's why I like him. Okay, and here you can see this, guys. He's given his affiliate link over here, and if you click this affiliate link, guys, you will be landed here, and look at this. Okay, and if you're going to buy from here, guys, just very simple. If you're going to buy from here, he will make money. It's just very simple here, guys. Creating, reviewing about the product. Okay, look at the views his channel is getting, guys. 2.4 millions. And here you can see this, just 4 days back he uploaded, guys, and he's getting 5.6 million views in his video. That's how, right, your passion will convert it into passive income. Okay, if you start today. Okay, and it's just very easy. If you don't know, right, how to start YouTube channel and all those things, guys, I already have a playlist there, and there you can watch how you can do affiliate marketing with YouTube channel. And when it's come to making money with YouTube, guys, here you can see this in the Social Blade. It is showing the estimated earning of monthly is $10,000 to somewhere between $170,000. This is estimated for the monthly earning, and yearly is, guys, it's amazing, right? You can see that's millions of money he's making with his passion, guys. So I would not say that affiliate marketing, I would say that he's really making money with his passion. He converted the passion into passive. Let's move into the another niche, which is online marketing. So here also, guys, you can make money, very good money with this. Here you can see this internet marketing review by Aaron Chan. And guys, Aaron Chan is a big marketer, and he have 2 channels here, and one is internet marketing. Another channel is in the name of Aaron Chan itself. And guys, this is the channel, because of this channel only I started my review channel, and that's how I made my first few big incomes, right, starting a review channel. He is one of my motivation. By seeing his videos only, I started my YouTube channel, which I'm going to reveal very, very soon. So okay, so here you can see this. He's having a tons of videos reviewing about the product from years and years. And as I know, guys, I'm following him from the past 2-3 years, and he's putting very, very good videos over here. And if you open his videos like Internet Traffic Academy here, he also do the affiliate marketing, but he promote a lot of digital product on online marketing products. So here you can see this.
Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on Internet Traffic Academy, okay?
And guys, this is here you can see he also put the affiliate link over here. Okay, and if you click this, guys, it will take you to Internet Marketing Academy, and if you want to buy, he'll definitely going to make money, right? And he's amazing, guys, doing this thing. Here you can see, guys, he's showing his face, because this will build a trust. When you show the face, guys, you can make a video like my video. I'm not showing you the faces, okay? And in my other YouTube videos, I'm showing my faces, okay, especially if it is an ad or something like review channel, because in review channel, if you show the face, guys, you build a huge trust with the people. There is no trust, no relationship, guys. No relationship. People are not going to buy with you, okay, when you review the product, just simply because people don't know who you are, that if you're a right person to review the things or not. Okay, so this is one of the best example. From this, guys, you can learn a lot. That's why I'm showing you all. And not only is going to make money with internet reviewing, guys, this product, Internet Traffic Academy, he'll also making the money with YouTube. Here you can see this estimated earning of $600 to $9,000 or $10,000, okay, and monthly is like $50 to $800. So it's a two-way of income if you do it and start right now. Now the question is, guys, can you start a affiliate review channels? Yes, of course. So this is my 4th channel. Here you're watching that affiliate tour guide, which is a super successful affiliate marketing YouTube channel, which started just 1 month back, guys. Here you can see this. Here he started this 1 month back only. He started reviewing the product about a lot of softwares, as well as he's also reviewing about make money online niches, okay, and he's just doing the same thing, guys. This is why, look at this, how fast he gained the subscriber and how he is getting the views on this. So in my next video, guys, uploading on this Thursday, I'm going to show you how you can start your own reviewing channel, okay, and I'm also going to reveal my review channel, okay, so that you can know. I'm going to go step by step. So do watch my next video, and if you're getting the values in this video, guys, give the thumbs up. Let me know, right, what you most like in this, right? So in the comment, with that, guys, you will boost my video. So here you can see this, guys. If I open this coronavirus cash flow review, and here you can see this, he's also showing the face and reviewing here, because he know much about this niche. You should know about the niche, guys, if you want to start a review channel or a YouTube channel. Otherwise, guys, it's really, really difficult. That's why I say that guys, always stick to one niche. Even if you're promoting a ClickBank offers, stick to one niche, guys. Do not jump like other people, how they are showing you. Okay, look at this. He's given the link. If you open this link, guys, it will take to the offer page, okay, and he's gonna make money. It's just very, very simple, guys. It's just 1 month old channel is doing very, very well, guys. After seeing digital product or make money online product YouTube channel, let's jump into the software niche, guys. And here in this software, look at this, Tim, and Tim is producing a lot of great videos, guys. And here look at the branding of this channel, guys, okay, and everywhere he's showing the face and all those, building the trust, and it's amazing, right? I'm following him from a long time. Whenever I need to buy any software, I go to his channel and I look for these kinds of softwares, okay. And here you can see this is amazing, right? And if you open is one of the like Max Drive, right, 2.0 review. If you open this here, and here you can see this, right, he's putting the videos here, and here you can see check out my bonuses here. If you click this, it will take you to his landing page. He's offering the bonus. So bonus is the way to get the people to buy from his product, okay. Look at this, how good he is, right, putting his landing page over here, okay. So this is very, very, right, look at this extra bonuses, look at this software, all this he's given here, okay. This is amazing. So he's an expert of the software. So that is really, really important. If you start your YouTube channel in affiliate marketing, stick to one niche, That's how you can make more money with it. So now guys, making money with YouTube guys, AdSense, and here you can see this, it is showing an estimation guys, but this is the thing you have to understand. You don't need to worry about making money with YouTube itself. So here it's showing the estimation of yearly something like this guys, but trust me, he is making more money just selling the affiliate product guys than YouTube. So you don't need to worry when you're going to make money with the YouTube money, once if you get approval, having a 1,000 subscriber guys, as well as if you have a 4,000 hours of watch time in your YouTube channel, you can go for monetization. Okay, so he's not making much maybe from the YouTube, okay, because it's showing in the estimation, but it's making more with his affiliate product because he's getting tons of views on this. Okay, my 6th super successful affiliate marketing YouTube channel is guys with Society. So now guys, this is again a amazing channel, and here guys he upload lot of videos related to software, make money online and everything. Generally I have seen his video, and guys this is one of the amazing channel, and this is another channel after which I showed you, that internet marketing review. This channel motivate me to start my review channel because his way of reviewing is amazing as compared to any other person guys. He not only guys going to show you the review, here you can see this, he also give tons of bonuses, and he also show the demo. That means he buy products. Okay, this is one of the example of buying the product, and then he will show the review. That is a different strategy. Okay, some of them just show you the review, and other people just buy, they use, they try, and then they're going to show you the demo, everything over here. And here you can see this. If you click this link guys, it is not going to take you directly to the offer page guys, it will take to his landing page. And here you can see this, he is reviewing again on his landing page, showing the software, using the software and creating a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, video thumbnail. So this is amazing guys. So this way people buy more than just you're going to review the product. Okay, this is one of the wonderful way where you come as a face and showing in the landing page how to create that YouTube video thumbnail with that same software, and then later in the bottom guys you can give the bonuses over here and you can tell them to buy. Okay, one of the best strategy. I will cover more in my next video, as I said in the earlier guys, how can you do this. Justin Brown is one of my favorite creator here guys, and I watch his video a lot, and watching his video and I learn how to create videos, everything, video editing, everything guys I learned from this one single channel. Okay, I follow 1 or 2 channel guys on one particular thing if I want to learn, and I do not switch to many channels, so I stick to one only. It's an amazing channel where you can learn video editing, softwares, okay, your YouTube setups, audio, video, everything you can learn with the software, and everything is showing. So here is doing the same thing guys, and here you can see this best video editing software. So here you can see he has for the Windows PC 2020 review, and if you go down here you can see that these are the affiliate links, VVideo, Filmora, these are the video editing apps. Okay, all these things he is putting a lot of links about these softwares. So this is one of the example guys, you can start your YouTube channel, affiliate marketing YouTube channel successfully right now on any niche guys. Okay, and here also, and YouTube is going to pay you like this guys, how they are paying to Justin Brown channel, thousands of dollars he is making from this guys. You name any niche guys, you can create your own YouTube channel. Like this channel guys, dart review, and look at this, just I'm showing you, he is just promoting the dart. Okay, just creating a video and making money. And if you're not convinced guys, look at this kid, Ryan Wolds. Okay, and he is just showing their toys and making millions of dollars guys. He have 24 million subscribers in YouTube and making millions of money with YouTube as well as in affiliate marketing. So guys, let me know in the comment guys which niche you want to start your YouTube channel, so that I can get back to you in the comment, whether you can start on that niche or not. Okay, you can put down there. So with that guys, definitely you're going to get the conclusion that you can start your affiliate marketing YouTube channel successfully. And if you like this video guys, give the thumbs up to this video. Let me know in the comment guys what you more want to know, and watch my next video which will reveal how you can start your review channel. Do subscribe my channel right away. Thank you.